again. This is Claudine
and Ray, and here we are in the kitchen. And today Claudine is going to give you a little thing or a little rundown on how to make a healthy tea that she likes to make. That's going to detox the body and boost your immune system. You know.
Yeah, and there's a lot of good, really good, healthy tea that you can make from the comfort of your own home that is filled with nutrients and a lot of health benefits, most important health benefits. So here in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you could prepare nice, healthy tea at home. Like Ray said, it's going to help to release toxins from your body and boost your immune system. It's packed with health benefits.
All right.
So here we go. No, we're not really saying bye because we're going to come back. I'm going to list off the health benefits and all these ingredients. As we all know that ginger is very good for our digestive system. It's loaded with antioxidant compounds that prevent stress and damage to our body's DNA. It helps our body fight off chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, disease of the lung. Plus it promotes healthy aging. It treats nausea, ease menstrual cramps, and regulate blood sugar level. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which prevents cell damage. And we all know that lemon is high in vitamin C. It helps to control weight loss. It prevents kidney stone. It protects against anemia, cancer, stroke, high blood pressure, and it improves our digestive health and it boosts our immune system. And it's also very good for our complexion. Garlic promotes heart health. It contains cancer-fighting characteristics, potentially combats the common cold, it clears our skin, and it acts as a natural antibiotic. Turmeric is so good for us. It contains bioactive compounds such as potential to improve heart health and prevent against Alzheimer's and cancer. It's also an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It also helps to improve symptoms of depression and arthritis. Black pepper. Black pepper have lots of health benefits. It's high in antioxidants. It's also anti-inflammatory properties. It may benefit our brain. It improves blood sugar control. It lowers cholesterol and also has a cancer-fighting properties. And it's also a very good versatile seasoning. Honey. Instead of using sugar in teas, instead of using sugar in teas, I substitute sugar for honey. Honey is also a good source of antioxidant. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It heals wounds and it helps with our digestive system and it soothes sore throat. So we get all the ingredients together. And with this recipe, you're going to have to wear a glove because turmeric gets really messy and it stains your fingers, your hands, it stains your utensils. So even when you use your cutting board, you don't need a brand new cutting board. Use something that you don't mind getting stained. You're going to wash all your ingredients and you scratch them or scrape to scrape the skin off the turmeric and the ginger and wash everything thoroughly. I don't peel the ginger or the turmeric. I just scrape them. But scrape it thoroughly. Scrape off all the skins, all the peels off of it. And like I say, make sure you wear a glove. Get everything nice and clean. Rest everything on your cutting board or your workstation. And make sure that your sink have a drain in there to catch all the skin, some of the turmeric and the ginger. Wash your lemon thoroughly because we boil it with the skin. As we all know that most of the nutrients is in the skin. And like I say, your turmeric, you wash everything thoroughly and scratch the peel off of it, the skin off of it. My lemon, I cut it up in 4 halves. And the ginger, I also cut them up nice and small. I cut the ginger because then I'm gonna crush it or beat it. Or smash it, however you want to say it. Crush it, beat it, smash it. I crush my ginger, also crush the turmeric, so when you put in the water to boil, it infuses much better. All the nutrients and stuff will boil out into the water faster and easier to make your tea richer. The garlic, I don't take the shells off the garlic. I leave all the shells on the garlic and I wash it thoroughly with the shell. Because I'm going to boil it with the shell. So I wash it thoroughly, and just like the ginger and the turmeric, I'm going to crush it. Then you put all your ingredients in the boiling water. Like I said, cut the lemon in 4 halves. You put all your ingredients right in the boiling water. And with the turmeric, you're going to need the black pepper to go along with the turmeric, because the black pepper helps the turmeric to absorb in your system better and faster. It helps to pull the nutrients out of the turmeric. So that's why we use the black pepper. And when you put all your ingredients in the pot, you let everything come to a boil until the water starts changing color to the color of the turmeric and the ginger, to like a nice rich yellow. And guys, this smells so good. It smells so delicious. The smell of the ginger and the lemon. And don't forget the honey. You use the unfiltered honey in the raw. That's the one I like to use, the natural unfiltered honey in the raw. Put in your cup, pour your tea, and stir. And we are ready to enjoy this delicious, healthy tea. It smells so good.
We are with the finished product.
Cheers.
You know, smells great. So good. All right. Did a good job with this one.
It's more than good. It's delicious. And most importantly, it's packed with health benefits. A lot of health benefits right here in 1 cup.
Yes. Hope you guys try it. Enjoy. Feel better. Feel well.